Welcome to my channel. Today we will be removing Mini Countryman R60 diesel alternator. The first step is to release the tensioner pulley using 21 mm. To release the tensioner, you need to turn the pulley clockwise direction and then remove the belt. Before starting any work, disconnect the terminal of the battery. Now using E12 Torx, remove the air condition pipe attached to the alternator. A failing alternator can manifest as various issues, including a dead battery, dim or flickering lights, trouble starting or stalling, and a burning smell. Dead or weak battery. A common sign is a battery that repeatedly dies or struggles to hold a charge, even after being fully charged. Dim or flickering lights. Headlights, interior lights, and dashboard lights may become noticeably dimmer or flicker erratically. Now remove the connector. Avoid pulling the connector through the wire and pull the connector through the pink holder. Expose the 13 mm nut by removing the cover. Now remove the nut. This harness also goes through to the starter motor. Using E14 Torx, remove the two screws on the alternator. You may need to lift the engine using support beam as the chassis gets in the way and the screw is too long to be removed. Now place a lever between the alternator and alternator holder and pry it till the alternator starts to move. The alternator and the holder oxidizes, which causes the alternator removal more difficult. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.